1. Disassemble the clarinet. Loosen the ligament. Remove the mouthpiece and the reed inside of it. Also undo the barrel joint that connects the mouthpiece to the joints that contain the keys. It's a good idea to do this cleaning every time you play in order to remove moisture that can damage the clarinet. 2. Wipe off the reed. When you play your clarinet, you leave saliva on the reed, which leaves behind food particles and creates a moist place for bacterial and fungal growth. After playing, take a soft cloth and use it to dry the reed before storing the reed in its case. 3. Swab the clarinet. Cleaning of the bell and joints can be done with a specialized swab on a string. Run the string through the bell and out the other end, then pull the swab through. Make sure the swab is spread out to reach as much of the instrument as possible. If you separated the clarinet's joints from one another, you can swab them individually this same way. 4. Rinse the mouthpiece. During your regular cleaning, you can put the mouthpiece under cold or warm running water to remove saliva and debris beginning to form. This will make later deep cleaning easier. 5. Dry the mouthpiece. Before you reassemble the clarinet or store the pieces, make sure the mouthpiece is dry. Use a swab on a string by running the string through the mouthpiece and pulling the swab through. Leave the mouthpiece out in the open to dry in air for several minutes to half an hour to ensure all moisture is gone. 6. Wash the swab. Always use a clean swab on your instrument to avoid reintroducing moisture or harmful substances. Throw your swab in a washing machine with the rest of your clothing before you forget to clean it, then hang it so it can dry for the next use.